Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium notebook with paper. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need about 20 to 30 sheets of standard 8, 5 by 11-inch paper for the inside pages. For the cover, select a piece of cardstock that is slightly larger. Don't forget your basic tools: a ruler, a pencil, sharp scissors, and a reliable stapler with plenty of staples. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the paper. Take each of your 8, 5 by 11-inch sheets and fold them precisely in half widthwise. This means the 11-inch side will become 5 1/2 inches. Make sure to crease each fold firmly, perhaps using the edge of your ruler to get a really crisp, clean edge. For the cover, cut your cardstock so it measures 8, 5 inches by 5 inches when folded, matching your pages. With your pages and cover ready, it's time for assembly. Carefully stack all your folded paper sheets and place them neatly inside the folded cardstock cover. Take your time to align all the edges perfectly. This step is crucial for a professional-looking notebook. Once everything is aligned, staple along the folded spine. Use 2 to 3 staples, spaced evenly, to secure all the pages and the cover together firmly. This creates your notebook's binding. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your new notebook. If there are any slightly uneven edges, use your scissors to carefully trim them for a clean, polished look. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Personalize your notebook cover with markers, stickers, or your own creative drawings. Make it uniquely yours. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy using your handmade medium notebook for all your notes and ideas.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.